Hello everybody, my name is Zane McGowan. I am a parole agent with the state of Pennsylvania and I live in Philadelphia. I'm in Widener's dual degree program. I'm doing this along with the Master's of Education, I guess with a concentration is the way to put it, in human sexuality. The thing I hope to get out of this course, assuming that an A is not an appropriate answer, I will say, just learning maybe more how to deal with people that are dealing with trauma. And the reason studying trauma is relevant for me, as a parole agent, most of my parolees have experienced trauma. So I think maybe it'll help when working with them. Also, my goal with the degree is to work for the Veterans Affairs with victims and survivors of military sexual trauma. So, yeah, I think it would be relevant when working with that population. 3 things: take care of myself, meal prepping, which I've been doing a lot of today, a lot of cooking, pedicures / foot massages every 3 weeks, probably 2 weeks if I can squeeze it in there, but I feel like every 3 weeks is going to be more doable. And a third way, take care of myself. I suppose just making sure I'm making time and hanging out with friends and coworkers outside of work, hanging out type things. It's one thing. I actually just finished my placement. I couldn't do the trauma class, my sexual minorities class, and the internship altogether. So unlike most of you probably, I think this semester is going to be a little bit easier. I definitely was feeling a little bit of the burnout over the past 6 months while doing the internship. And I'm definitely glad that that is over. Looks like that covers everything, and I'm within a 2-3 minute period, so looking forward to seeing some of the other videos. I know initially I used to, look forward to the videos, and then I see maybe like 2 or 3 views in the past several semesters of doing these, and it's like, why bother? But anyway, here we all are, and for those of you that are in the internship and working full time and have families and stuff, good luck to you. Take care.